Yehovah Elohi Sva'o. Kadosh, Kadosh, Kadosh. Please fill me and lead me and cover me and stir me and speak through me with your Ruach HaKodesh, that I may speak your written words with boldness and humility to those who listen. I ask all these things in Yeshua HaMashiach's name. Amen. We'll start with the Shema. Listen and obey. Children of Yehovah, pay careful attention and respond. Yehovah is our power and authority. Yehovah works in unity with himself. And you shall act upon your love to Yehovah with your power and authority, with your thoughts and mind, with your entire body, and with all the muchness that you have. Yod, Hey, Vav, Hey. Hand, behold, now, behold. Psalm chapter 126, a song of ascents. When Yehovah restored Zion's fortunes, we thought we were dreaming. Our months were full of laughter, and our tongue shouted for joy. Among the nations it was said, Yehovah has done great things for them. Yehovah did do great things for us, and we were overjoyed. Return our people from exile, Yehovah, as streams fill vadis in the Negev. Those who sow in tears will reap with cries of joy. He who goes out weeping as he carries his sack of seed will come home with cries of joy, and he carries his sheaves of grain. How can we learn to love our Creator after reading this fascinating 126th chapter, Psalm? We can love Yehovah by rejoicing in his power to restore and bring joy. Love Yehovah by declaring his greatness and giving him praise. Love Yehovah by trusting that he turns sorrow into joy and weeping into harvest. How can we love our neighbors as Yeshua loves us? By encouraging them with Yehovah's promise of restoration and joy. How can we bear one another's burdens? By reminding them that seasons of sorrow will lead to a harvest of joy. What are the top 3 fruits of the Spirit found? 1. Joy. Rejoicing in Yehovah's restoration and faithfulness. 2. Hope. Trusting that Yehovah will turn sorrow into gladness. 3. Faithfulness. Continuing in faith even through tears, knowing Yehovah will bring a harvest. We'll end with the Aaronic blessing using the name. Yehovah will kneel before you presenting gifts, and he will guard you with a hedge of protection. Yehovah will illuminate the wholeness of his being toward you, bringing order, and he will provide you with love, sustenance, and friendship. Yehovah will lift up the wholeness of his being and look upon you and set in place all you need to be whole and complete. Shalom, shalom.